Dylan the digger wakes up with the sun, ready for work and ready for fun. He scoops and he lifts with a gentle clink, digging small trenches, tidy and neat. Thank you very much. Down in the dirt where the worms like to play, Dylan goes slowly. He never will rush his day. He digs a little, then rests a while, humming a tune with a rumble and smile. He helps build roads and clears the way, making things better bit by bit each day. When the work is done and the sky turns pink, Dylan the digger stops and quietly thinks, tomorrow's another day to dig and explore, with careful tracks and a heart that's warm to the core. Rolly the roller rolls out slow, back and forth, nice and low, round and round on the quiet street, pressing the ground smooth, steady, and neat. He doesn't hurry, he doesn't race. Rolly takes time in his rolling pace, left to the right, then right to the left, making the road feel safe and best. Birds fly past and the clouds drift by. Rolly keeps rolling under the sky. When the work is done and the day feels right, Rolly the roller rests for the night. Tomorrow he'll roll calm and slow, helping the world, one roll at a go. Millie the Mixer, spin, spin, spin. Round goes the drum with a whir and a grin. Spin it slow, spin it fast, mix it just right, so the mix will last. Turn to the left, turn to the right. Millie mixes day and night. Swish and swoosh, round and round, making a sloshy, splashy sound. She doesn't spill, she doesn't rush. Millie mixes nice and hush. When the job's done, clean and neat, she rolls away with tapping feet. Spin, spin, spin till the work is through. Millie the Mixer says, all done for you. Dippy the Dump Truck, rumble and roll. Big, strong wheels and a great big bowl, rolling down roads both wide and small. Dippy is ready to help them all. Morning is bright, the workday starts. Dippy sets off with a happy heart. Beep, beep as he drives along, humming a quiet working song. Scoop goes the shovel, in goes the load. Sand and stones from the bumpy road. Heavy but steady, strong and slow. Dippy keeps moving, nice and low. Lift it up high, tip it back slow. Down comes the dirt, plop, plop below. One big dump, then another two. Careful and calm in all he'll do. When the day ends and the sky turns pink, Dippy finds a place to rest and think. Job well done, the work is through. Good night, Dippy, tomorrow's new. Sweepy the Sweeper, swish, sweep, cleaning the road while the town's asleep. Brushes go round with a soft whoosh, whoosh, making the street feel fresh and new. Swish to the left, swish to the right. Sweepy works calm from morning to night. Leaves go flutter, dust goes away. Sweepy makes space for a brighter day. He doesn't hurry, he doesn't shout. Sweepy knows what he's all about. Slow little rolls and a steady beat. Tap, tap, tap of the cleaning feet. When the moon yawns and the stars shine bright, Sweepy, the sweeper, rests for the night. Clean, clean streets, quiet and sweet, thanks to Sweepy. Swish, sweep, sweep.